Hey guys, today we're out here on the boat and we want to take a couple minutes and show you a feature for your Garmin GPS units. This feature is extremely useful and really underutilized by a lot of boaters. This feature is called the Tides and Current feature on your Garmin GPS units. Now we use this feature every time that we're coming back to the marina, so we know which way the current is going and we know which side that we have to dock on. Now this is really important because the flow of the current is going to push the boat and can make it very difficult when docking. For example, at Black Point Marina, where we launched from, if the tide is going out, the current is going to push you towards the port side. Now, if the current is coming in, that current is going to push you to the starboard side. Knowing which way the current is flowing will allow you to decide which side of the boat you're going to dock on for a safe docking. Now, let's jump right in and show you exactly how you find this tide information on your Garmin unit. All right guys, so now we're going to show you on the screen how to get the tide data for where you're located. And if you look at our screen, we didn't run aground. We are at home. We got caught in a nasty rainstorm. We had to come back, so we were able to record. We're recording 2 Garmin videos today. We've got the beginning and ending of the video, and then the screen recording. We are doing it here at the house. But what you want to do is you go ahead and press Info, and you come up to the very option here and it says Tides and Current. You press that, and then you're going to press Tides, which is your first option. And when you press that, it's automatically going to take you to the closest station to where the boat is. And you can see right here it's 145. It shows you right here in the middle of the line. It's 145. Tide's coming down. Shows you on the top the next low tide is at 354. Next high tide at 929. Now, if you wanted to change these stations, you press the very first option here, change stations, and it's going to pull up all of the different stations and how far they are away from where you're at. And you could select any one of these that you want. We'll go ahead and select Dinner Key Marina, and now it gives you the information for that place as well. So let's say that you were going to travel somewhere and you wanted to see when was going to be high and low tide there. You could simply do it from your unit, press nearby stations, and then go and select the station that you want to view. And we'll go ahead and press here, card sound. You go ahead and press it, and it shows you that information on the screen as well. Guys, now that you know exactly where to find the tide data on your Garmin units, we feel confident that this will change the way going forward that you dock your boat at a marina. And this is going to ensure a safe docking experience where you don't have to fight the flow of the current or the tide when docking your boat. If you guys want to check out more Garmin tips, check out this playlist where we continuously upload videos showing you different tips for your Garmin GPS units. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay safe out there.